Hey guys, I hope you are all very well. This is a lesson about an exercise I like to play to warm up. It's based over the E major scale, but it can also be transposed to other keys. And basically it combines arpeggios, scales, alternate picking and the sweep picking. What I'm gonna do is playing the arpeggio first. And the scale afterwards. So the first one will be E major. I play the arpeggio downwards using the sweep picking technique. Then the scale start over the major third. But if you're playing a minor arpeggio, you're gonna start the scale of the minor third. So after E major, we have F sharp minor. Here, do the same thing I did for E major. Basically, I play the arpeggio first, then the scale. And the scale that I have just played is the F sharp Dorian scale, which is the mode over the second degree of the E major scale. Then the notes over the F sharp Dorian scale are F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp. The next one is G sharp minor. The scale is the G sharp Phrygian scale. The notes are G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, and G sharp. The next arpeggio is A major. And the scale is A Lydian. The notes are A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, and A. Next arpeggio is B major. The scale is B mixolydian. The notes are B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, and B. The next arpeggio is a C sharp minor. The scale is the C sharp minor scale or C sharp Aeolian scale. Thus the relative minor scale of E major. The next arpeggio is a D sharp half diminished. So the notes are D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, and D sharp. Then the last arpeggio that I play is E major again, but an octave higher. Anyway guys, I hope you really enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below. I am also offering free tabs, so please check the link on the video description below. Many thanks again for watching, and I will see you very soon.